Welcome to the Corebook What's New series. With the latest Corebook update, for the very first time in Corebook, you have complete control over every element within the sidebar. This newfound control begins with the ability to customize the sidebar's width, followed by the option to resize the logo, and finishes with adjusting the length of the logo section. We can continue by fine-tuning the padding of sidebar elements. You have the flexibility to use freeform adjustments, enter precise values, or select from our predefined options. Furthermore, sections now offer the flexibility to contain nested subsections, allowing for deeper structural organization. Alternatively, you can effortlessly drag out individual pages for quick access. To deepen navigation, consider crafting anchor links that provide seamless entry to frequently visited modules.